In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Asana. Managing projects effectively often means keeping track of numerous tasks and deadlines. For this, the reminder function on Asana can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive into how you can set this up easily and efficiently. To begin, you need to head over to Asana. Open your web browser and type in Asana's URL to reach their login page. Upon reaching the login page, enter your registered email address. Make sure you input it correctly, as this step is crucial for accessing your account. After you've typed in your email, click on the Continue button. This will prompt the platform to ask for your password. Now enter your password. Take care here, as passwords are case sensitive and you wouldn't want to be locked out of your account due to incorrect input. After inputting your password, proceed by clicking on the Login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage, where you're greeted with all your recent activities and projects. Once on your homepage, the next step is to click on a project. Choose the project where you'd like to set up your reminders. After selecting the project, look for the Customize option. This is typically located on the right side of the project toolbar. Clicking on Customize opens various project-specific options. Within the Customize menu, find and click on the Rules option. Rules allow you to automate certain actions within your project, like sending reminders. After clicking on Rules, you'll need to select Add. This button lets you create a new custom rule, which is what we'll be using for setting reminders. Now choose Create Custom Rule. Here, Asana will guide you through setting up a new rule for your project. Start by adding a trigger. A trigger is an event in your project that will activate the reminder. For instance, you might want to set a reminder for task deadlines or when a task is moved to a particular section. Next, add a condition. Conditions help specify when the rule should actually apply. For example, you can set a condition that the reminder only triggers for tasks assigned to you. Once you've added the necessary condition, it's time to add an action, the actual setting of the reminder. Finally, after you've defined the action, all that's left is to click on Publish Rule. Publishing your rule will activate it across the selected project, and you'll start receiving reminders based on the criteria you've set up. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure that you never miss a task or deadline again. Setting reminders on Asana is a great time management strategy, helping you stay organized and efficient in all your projects. Thanks for watching, and start implementing these steps to take full control of your task management on Asana.